I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools. Update your iPhone and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so proximity works. Once done, sign into iCloud and enable Find My. This is required for device location services to function. Make sure the Siri remote has been paired to the Apple TV or other supported device already, because unpaired remotes won't appear. Now open the Find My app and get ready to scan for devices. This moves the process from setup into active searching. You now scan and identify the remote inside the Find My app. First, open Find My and choose Devices. The list populates by proximity and iCloud data, so wait a moment. Next, tap the Siri remote entry to see its last known location on the map and any recent connected status. If it shows nearby, use Play Sound to trigger an audible ping. Otherwise, tap Directions to get guidance. Keep your phone moving slowly to watch the proximity updates and zero in accurately. You complete the recovery by following the sound or map direction until you can physically locate the remote. Check common hiding places like under cushions and behind furniture. If the remote does not appear or play sound, make sure its battery isn't dead and re-enable Bluetooth and iCloud on your iPhone, then refresh Find My. If that still fails, unpair and repair the remote with the Apple TV or consult Apple support for replacement guidance. One key tip: low battery often prevents location features. Try a fresh charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.